Nurses stand as the living guardians of care. Nurses are not merely witnesses to healing, they are its hands, its vigilance, and its courage. In every quiet act and critical decision, they stand as the living bridge between suffering and hope, restoring not only the body, but the human spirit. Across time and place, their calling is reflected in enduring virtues, given form through timeless, symbolic guardians who embody the essence of care. At the center stands SANAREON, the source of compassion and restoration, guiding every healing touch, renewing hope where pain resides. Beside him is CORDIEL, bearer of empathy, who reminds nurses that the heart is not a weakness, but their greatest strength. In the stillness of patient rooms, Mater Solace dwells, the quiet presence that comforts, reassures, and remains when words fall short. Watching through the unseen hours is Vigilaris, guardian of vigilance, ever alert in the silence, protecting life through careful attention. When decisions weigh heavy, Sophiel Astra illuminates the path, where knowledge, conscience, and wisdom must meet. And in the voices of mentors and the guidance of experience, Preceptor Verum stands firm, anchoring practice in truth, ethics, and integrity. Through fatigue, grief, and unspoken burdens, FORTENA walks beside every nurse, embodying endurance and the courage to continue, even when strength feels distant. Yet above all, these guardians find their living form in the Ordine Vitae, the nurses themselves. Not distant figures, but present hands, not unseen forces, but visible compassion in motion. With every shift, nurses rise with purpose. They care with courage. They watch with wisdom. They heal with compassion. The world may not always see the guardians at work, but lives are sustained, hope is restored, and humanity endures because they stand.